As part of activities to mark a 3-day reunion ceremony, the Chude Girls Model School Old Students Alumni Association set of 1991 have held a health seminar on the need to curtail drugs and substance abuse in the society. This is part to kick off a 31-year reunion by the old students as they aim to impart positive awareness on the present students of the school. A lecture on substance abuse was presented at the school hall to students by resource person Dr. Peter as the medical personnel talked to students on the effect of drug abuse and why the youth must desist from indulging in the act. School principal Mrs. Okusare hailed the set of 91 for their contribution in donating amenities such as desks to the school and thanked them fervently for the sensitization talk. We also spoke to some students of the school after the lecture and they expressed delight at having been imparted through the lecture, sending thanks to the 91 set and urging their fellow youths to shun drug abuse in order to become useful persons in the society.
My name is Chude. I'm the health girl of Chude Girls Model Secondary School. I've learned that taking of too much drugs, like drugs is also known as substance, taking too much of it could lead to so many bad effects like mental disorder and in some cases death, so we should avoid it. Okay, on behalf of the principal, the vice principals, the staff and the students, I really want to appreciate the KOGA 1991 set for creating time to be with us today, for the provision of the decks they brought into our hall. I also want to appreciate the Dr. Peter for enlightening us on the topic substance of abuse.
My name is Ogogoro Roberta. I'm the assistant head girl of Chude Girls Model Secondary School. I feel excited seeing them because I know what I'm going to be a KOGA set. I've learned that I should choose my friends carefully and I should be careful with my friends and should not get involved in substance abuse that can be actually harmful to my life and my future.
My name is Okure Miracle and I'm the assistant labor prefect of Chude Girls Model School. I've learned about the disadvantages of drug abuse, the effects and how it affects our community as well. I want to thank them for coming back to impact us. Like some of our students today, they don't have this knowledge. Maybe I'm just grateful for them.
My name is Otugogene Minir and I'm the labor prefect of Chude Girls Model Secondary School. Okay, I've learned that substance abuse has been abused mostly by youth. And in order for us to stop substance abuse, we need to say no and we should not give in to peer pressure. We should be careful with the friends we go with because we've seen today that we're living in the end days and most things that people do can affect their future. So taking some substances that would affect us during our future, it will be bad to the society.
When we spoke to the president of Chude 91 set, Madam Eno Agba, and other members of the group, they took her time to appreciate God for the opportunity to see their peers after 31 long years, a feat that they will relish in the coming days before sending advice to youths on the importance of abstinence from drug and substance abuse.
My name is Eno Ibona, aka Eno Agba, Agbalistic. Yeah, and I'm so happy to be here today.
You've not seen some of your peers for over 31 years. How does it feel reuniting with them today?
It's been amazing. Like when I see them, I still remember how we used to play together. We're so real. These are your real friends, you know. You can be in university, you are working, you have colleagues. They are not real like the people you grew up with. These are the people that really know who we are. Our behavior, we are so real, and I like the fact that after 31 years, they are still real. Nobody is posing for anybody. We're just ourselves, and I'm so happy to be here.
You spoke inside. You said you formed this a year ago, and you've distributed shares to the school. Even the principal attested to that. Are we going to be seeing more from you and your peers donating to the school?
Oh yes, we just started. We're actually going on a school tour now. We just want to check what is there that they need, and then we'll come back, regroup, and then maybe do some fundraising again and come and help the school again. I think my message is for them to be focused, because if they're not focused, that's when peer pressure comes, and then they are they are kind of distracted. But if their parents are not even helping them, they can help themselves by being focused on their studies. That is why they are in school. That's why they are 10 years old, 15 years old. They should read so they can be like us. We are all big people wherever we are working now. We have lawyers, we have accountants, we have agriculturists, we have doctors, we have teachers, we have all sorts of professions. We have business people, we have real estate, we have pastors. And that's because they did not take substance abuse.
I am Rita Biokoro Awajekpai by name.
You're part of 91 set.
Yes, I'm 91 set, and I'm proud to be a 91 set.
Yes, ma'am. During the event inside, they actually introduced you as a matron, and today you spoke. The resource person spoke about drug and substance abuse.
Yeah.
As a professional in the field, what will your message and to the youth in Delta State and Nigeria?
Yeah, to the youth, first and foremost, I will encourage parents to be closer to their children. If you are closer to your children, you have a good relationship with your children. They will not have relationship outside. That if they want, they will confine in you. Whenever they have any issue, they will ask you first, and your advice to them will yield them good results. So to the society, if we, like the lecturer actually said, he said all those advertisements, those are some of the things that really kill our kids, because they find love in those things. They want to have fun with them. They want to carry along with them. If you find out that some of those drugs, they are not really in their mind to take it, but when they see the advert that the colorful paper they used to wrap those drugs, they do, the advert is attractive, they will want to fall in love with it. Like a patient I nursed in Abeokuta, I asked him in psychiatry, then I was doing my psychiatric nursing, and I said, why Ahmed, why are you taking drugs? He said, when I want to talk to my father, I don't want to be scared. I want to be bold to speak with my father. The thing touched me. I said, so if you are with your ordinary eyes, you cannot speak with your father? He said, no, the father is too harsh. He said, so when he's talking to the father, I want to be saying the eyeball of the father. And I said, but you have gotten it wrong. And if you just continue pressing on your father, daddy, this is what I want, I think he will actually give it to you. Then you go and take drugs to kill yourself and say because you want to act big to talk to your father. Your father, there should be a good relationship between parents and children, then children to parents. And to the society, the government is not helping things at all. Because look at the job issue. You will finish from school, you will not have good job. Because of those ones, because of depression, it will push most of those ones to go and sit with peer group that will influence them with bad peer group influence, which is not good. The government should try and make provision.
Okay, my name is Divine Favor Koroma. Very, very excited, and you can see it in me, I'll be so I'll be shouting, so busy, busy shouting. After all, for the past 31 years, I've not seen some people, even Ago, Tessie, Eno, Agba, our Presido, Biokoro, Rita, and the rest of others. Just today, I'm seeing them for the past 31 years. So marvelous. It's been my pains. I really appreciate God that Koga 91 set came up with such discussion today, and as a mother, I really want to reach out to the youth. Several times I've been saying that if I have opportunity to address the youth, I will tell them to be calming down. Life is just once. Are you getting me now? Some of them they are falling over celebrities. So many of them, they are regretting the lifestyle they are living. So we shouldn't follow those people that are regretting.
The word I want to use is awesome, so great to be among my friends. I've not seen them for the past 31 years. I'm relieved. First and foremost, I want to thank the Almighty God. Then I want to thank the executive, the likes of Eno Agba, Sion Wambo, and the Godo like Stella and Tanu Oma. All of them are here today. I'm very happy and proud. I'm proud. This is the best time in my life.
You seem to be very popular among your mates.
Yes.
How happy are you to reunite?
It's just the Lord doing. What I would say is that I'm very grateful to God to see you all once again. And I want to appreciate the schools. It's quite long that I've seen them. I want to say a very big thank you to God, because many have gone and we are here seeing ourselves like this.
in Sapele. You're watching Rero TV, and I am Rero Henry Akbos.